Now this illustration deals with the use of strike termination devices. Now notice the information to the right of the service equipment. We have a strike termination device. We show the down conductor coming down connected to a driven rod. Now if that is the case, notice it has to be grounded in to that grounded conductor circling or encircling the building. Now, it could just be connected directly to a ground ring around the building just for lightning protection. But regardless, it has to be bonded and grounded into the electrode system as you see in this illustration. And we basically list all the sections dealing with each individual grounding electrode. But remember, 250.50 says all your electrodes, if they're present, as you see in this illustration, if they're there, they had to be bonded in to create a grounding electrode system. 250.60 works hand in hand with 250.106 to say that the lightning protection system has to be bonded and grounded in with the grounding electrode system. 250.106, I believe it is, refers you to the NFPA 780 to design the lightning protection system. In other words, the code's not going to design a lightning protection system. You must use NFPA 780 for that, which you can go on the UL site and even qualify to be a lightning protection designing engineer that would be certified by UL. Now notice the figure loop. We suggest that you review figure 16-53 for a similar installation with more information. And then the note says also review informational notes 1 and 2 to 250.60 as well as 250.106 when a lightning protection system is present. Many times I have found as an inspector going out and looking at buildings and so forth that this lightning protection system wasn't bonded in to the grounding electrode system, which is a violation and a very dangerous situation in some cases. So if you are dealing with a lightning protection system along with a grounding electrode system, be sure you review 250.60 and 250.106, and that's what this figure 16-77 is illustrating.